The peacock. The peacock is a very beautiful bird. It is found in most parts of India. Peacock is our national bird. Peacock is of bright greenish blue color. It has a long beautiful neck. Its long feathers have moon-like spots. They are mixed with green, blue, yellow and golden colors. It has long legs and a crown. Its neck is bright dark blue. It is very graceful. It dances in rainy season. When the peacock spreads its tail, the tail looks like a big colorful fan. Peacock mainly lives on food grains and insects. The female peacock is called peahen. The peahen is not so attractive. It is smaller in size. It is a brown bird. It has no colorful feathers. If you like the paragraph of peacock, then please like, comment and share, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.